Hi, families. Today we are starting Unit 3 of Math for 5th grade. We're starting off with a review of our multiplication from last year. We were working with multi-digit numbers and using area model. So what I want to do is just provide you a modeling aspect of how to work out area model, because the students need to have a good grasp of area model before moving into the standard algorithm that we know and love that we learned when we were children. So what I want to start off with is working with a 1-digit number by 3 digits. Now we know when we have 4, we're just multiplying by 4. But then on the top, we are going to take 234 and break it into expanded form, where we have 200 plus 30 plus 4. And now with that, we divide our line down the page. So the way I teach my students is wherever our numbers cross, that's what we're going to multiply. So for example, we're going to go 4 times 200. We know 4 times 2 is 8. And then since we're doing it times 200 instead of 2, we add the 2 zeros. Then we're going to do 4 times 30. 4 times 3 is 12. And there's 1 0 because it's times 10 or times 30 instead of times 3. And then we're doing 4 times 4, which is 16. Does not mean we're done. We're going to take the individual products that we came up with, which is 800 plus 120 plus 16. This is taking it from expanded form and putting it back into standard form. So 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 4 times 234 is 936. Now if we're working with the same thing, but this time we're working with 2-digit by 2-digit, we're going to take both numbers and put them in expanded form. So 23 written in expanded form is 20 plus 3. We divide our box at that plus sign. And then 54 is 50 plus 4. So then again, where our numbers line up, that's what we're multiplying. 20 times 50, I know 2 times 5 is 10. And then there's 2 zeros to add on. And then we have 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 1 0. And then 3 times 50 is 150. And 3 times 4 is 12. Just like the problem above, we are going to take those products and add them together. So 1,000 plus 80 plus 150 plus 12. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 5 plus 1. We know 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Drop that 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So our product is 1,242. This is just the beginning spot we're using to review with students so that they have that good foundation. And then later on, we're going to be bringing up that standard algorithm like we learned when we were children, where we're just multiplying across. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments or ask your teacher. But I will be back next week to teach standard algorithm. Thanks so much.